What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and today we are making a hummingbird cake. I found it in a recipe in a cookbook I had, and I was like, I want to give it a try. So today we're going to be doing that. So let's get going. So we're going to go with 1 cup of sugar, granulated. And then we're going to go with 3/4 cup of brown sugar for our hummingbird cake. We're going to go ahead and add our sugars in, get them mixed in. So 3/4 pat brown sugar. And then we're going to go 1 cup of, or no, 1.5 cups of oil. Mix in our sugars and everything together. Get them nice and mixed in. 2 teaspoons of vanilla on in there. And I got 3 eggs. Uno, dos, tres. And we're just going to mix all this on up together. Get it good and incorporated. And there are bananas. We want ripe bananas. Can you believe I bought these like this at the dollar store? The Dollar General. They looked at me. They're like, "Don't you want some riper or like some better ones?" And I was like, "What's wrong with those?" I'm making a cake. And they said, "Oh, you're making a cake?" I said, "Yes, I'm making a cake for my YouTube channel." I didn't say that, but I thought it in my mind. So you can mash your bananas on down. I'm going to mash mine on down. But I still want some consistency, some texture with them. So I don't want to break them into just pudding mush. So I got my bananas all mashed. I'm going to plop them one in there. Plop them. Then I have 8 ounces of crushed pineapple. I can only find the chunks, so I put them in my food processor and got the chunks. And I want the liquid too. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. And we want to whisk all that in together so it combines nicely. I'm going to add in my walnuts. I've chopped my walnuts up very fine. And bananas and walnuts, y'all. Come on. Is mix that up. And then drop in my 3 cups of flour right on in. And then we're just going to whisk that in by hand, because we don't want to over whisk this. We want this cake to be moist. And from everything I've read and seen about this cake, that is the trick, is hand whisking it in. It smells really good. Now with this cake, you want to make sure you fill up your cake pan. I found that out. 350 in the oven. Spread them on down. Perfect. And then once you have them in your cake pan in the oven for about 45 minutes at 350, or until they're golden brown, or you can tell they're done. My cake is falling apart. And we can accept defeat, but I don't like that. I'm not giving up. So, what I know is when your cake, use parchment paper, use something to put in there. But we can still salvage it. So what I did was I blended it up, kind of like cake pops. And now I'm going to put it back in here. I'll level out my parchment paper. And I'll put this in the fridge and let it chill to test our theory, to see if we could salvage the cake that messed up. So far, looking good. Frosting. I failed, I know that, and that's fine. I tried though. That's the thing. I tried, and it might not succeeded, but at least I tried. But that doesn't mean I'm going to give up. I'm going to keep trying. Maybe not with this cake. Maybe just a little easier cake, but something. But I'm also going to try this out. I'm not good at frosting stuff. I know that about myself, but I'm going to try this because it looks delicious, and it probably is going to be delicious. And I'm right. It's still a cake. It's still a cake. So I might have failed, but I made a cake pop cake. Is the best way to put it. A cake pop cake. It's moist and it's good. So y'all, I attempted to make a hummingbird cake, and it fell apart. I morphed it back together, kind of like cake pops, and we still have a cake. And Jerry's like, "Wow, that's actually really good." So I don't know. I'm gonna try again to make a regular cake. If you do mess up, don't think it's the end of the world. Always try to re-improvise. That's what I did here today, and it's actually a pretty good cake. So on that, I love you. If you will, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's free to do. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.